Hello students, welcome. And in this video, we will discuss IELTS writing task 2. So the question is, some families think the best way to take care of their aging parents is to care for them at home. Others believe that it is better for their parents to live in a special home for the elderly. Discuss both views and give your opinion. You have to discuss both the views, okay, and state your opinion. So what is your opinion? Okay. Now, if you look at the question is quite simple. It states that one should take care of their parents at home. One side is saying this, other side is saying it is better for aging parents or elderly parents to live in a specialized home. Okay, kind of a like a long-term caregiving center. Okay, so let's look at view one: caring for aging parents at home. Caring for elderly at home allows them to remain in familiar surroundings and maintain routines. Since elderly people are living at their home only, they know what the routines are. Okay, so they do not have to adjust at all, and this gives them a sense of familiarity, which is very important for the elderly. Okay. Second is taking care of aging parents at home provides personalized care from loved ones. Since parents would be staying with their son and with their daughter-in-law, it will be better. Okay, they can have more personalized care. They'll have their sons or daughters talking to them. Okay, and it will be a much more family kind of an environment. Okay, the third one is caring for older people at home promotes independence and sense of comfort. Again, because the elderly know their surroundings better, it will give them a sense of comfort. Okay. Also, it will provide independence because they know their place. They can roam around there. They can go for a stroll. While if you go to a new place, you're always fearful. Okay. And since you do not have any friends, there will be less of an independence. The same thing goes for elderly people. Elderly people have their friends as well, so they can chit chat with them and go for a walk in the evening. Okay, now let's look at view 2: caring for elderly in a special home. This special home is called a long term caregiving center. First is assisted living facilities offer professional medical care supervision with a trained staff like personal support workers. Personal support workers are people who know how to take care of the elderly. Okay. Also, long-term caregiving centers have medical professionals as well, which often check the elderly's health state. For example, normal checkups like blood pressure, their insulin levels, or their sugar levels. Okay. So, since assisted living facilities have all these personnel, this is better for the elderly. The second one is specialized homes provide elderly people with amenities like social activities and nutritious meals. These long-term caregiving centers also provide specialized meals. Okay, one can request specialized meals, especially the expensive ones, and this will help the elderly to have a better life, a healthier life. Okay, if you are in a family setting, different members of the family like different things, especially the middle-aged people love to eat, more sugary stuff, which is not assimilated by the elderly. Okay, and while in the long-term caregiving centers, there are specialized meals that are provided. The third one is for elderly individuals with complex medical needs. Nursing homes can provide a safer and more controlled environment. These long-term caregiving centers are secured. So there is no chance of a robbery or there is no chance of any ill harm. So since they provide a better sense of security, they are better than traditional way of living. Okay. So what should be your opinion? In my opinion, caring for aging parents at home is better. Why? Because while long-term caregiving centers provide professional medical staff, they are not a substitute for people whom the elderly has seen or they have given birth to. Okay, there is a more personalized connection with people. There is more personal connection, and that's why aging parents should live at their own home only, okay, with their sons or daughters. So this was writing task 2. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button